Hello there everybody, Richard R. Blast here. Hope you are all well. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. That helps the YouTube algorithm. That helps for YouTube recommend these videos to you. And subscribe, because that helps even more. Gets me one subscriber closer to 1,000. And smash that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. I've probably done a video like this before here, talking about PAT testing, or portable appliance testing. As you know, I'll just give you a little bit of background. Back in 2020, just as the C word broke out, I went on a PAT testing course. So I passed the... If I can find my certificate, I'll try and find my certificate. This could take a little while. Just play some goofy music in the background. No, I'm not going to find this. As I said, I passed I went on a PAT testing course back in March 2020, just as the big C word kicked off. I can't find my certificate. I'll probably have to get a replacement one, but as I say, I did this course with Plug Test. Very, very good course. And then a couple of years ago, I think it was a couple of years ago, soon after I passed the PAT testing course, IET, as usual, decided to bring out the 5th edition. I think one of the major changes in this is inclusion of new classes of appliances, and I think they changed the onus of responsibility from the person doing the PAT testing to the duty holders. Let me know in the comments below if I'm correct in my assumptions. And that prompted me to lay out silly money on this thing. So the real point of this video is, should I get this beast recalibrated and offer PAT testing, or is there no money in it at all? Because I get the impression that nobody likes to do it because there's not really any money involved in it. So soon after I passed the course, I splashed out on this monstrous thing, this Seaward Apollo 400 plus PAT tester, and it was actually calibrated, supplied, that was the calibration date, 22nd of May 2020, so obviously this is 2 years out of calibration. So my question to you, is it worth me recalibrating this and offering a PAT testing service, or shall I just flog this to someone else who wants to do PAT testing? Let me know in the comments below, and again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time you upload a new video, and I will see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.